Hey guys, welcome back to another week of the Mortgage Matters in Minutes, brought to you and sponsored here by Mortgage Specialists. And again, I'm Brent Rasmussen. If you haven't had a chance to be introduced by me yet, I know Jonathan filled in a couple weeks ago, but wanted to take a little bit of time today on Tuesday afternoon here to talk about why it's smart to talk to a lender even if you're not completely ready to buy a home yet. And we get this question very often saying, hey, I'm not looking to purchase a home till next March. I'm graduating in the fall of next year. I'm 2 years out because of some credit situation I've been told. And a lot of people bring this up to us and say, when should I talk to a mortgage professional, mortgage loan officer, mortgage lender? And we always say it's never too early for individuals to talk to us because of many different reasons why. And I'm going to explain those here to you today really quickly. Again, these regular weekly videos are not intended to take a long bit of your time, just a quick short few minutes in the afternoon. So there's three basic things that lenders like to look at. Obviously, credit is most important, your income, and how much you have to put down for a down payment. And the reason why we tell people it's never too early to start talking with a mortgage lender is because they might not have all of the items that they think that are needed to qualify for a loan ready. I can tell you clients that call us, and probably half of them are not sure what to do, how to do it, what they need for these items. So for example, some people might have a credit problem and they're not sure what quite qualifies with their credit. And in those scenarios, we tell people it's never too early, even a year out, to take a look at your credit to make sure in a year you're able to qualify, because within a year's time frame you should be able to get your credit fixed. Most people think that you can get your credit fixed much quicker and much faster, but a lot of times if there's many different things that are going on with late payments or delinquencies or you name it, it could take a good amount of time or time for the credit report just to re-heal itself, basically. The second biggest one that people are just really unsure of usually when they contact us is how much money do I really need to purchase a house? So without talking to a lender and waiting maybe till a month before you're ready to buy a house and then find out you might need $10,000 to $20,000 and you don't have that saved, it's a little too late then to know what you can do. And so in talking to a lender and getting those ideas of here's how much I want to afford for a house, which then narrows us down to how much they can afford, which then narrows us down to what the down payment or cash to close is going to be on the transaction. So again, when people approach us and ask us, why should I talk to a lender when I'm not going to buy a house for 6 to 12 months? It's because of these three reasons: to make sure your credit's in line, to make sure you have enough income, and to make sure you have the adequate money that you need to purchase a home. And again, in every scenario, I'm not always saying contact a mortgage lender a year in advance. Many people might just have some questions that they want answered, and you don't have to complete a full application, and we can give you some general information. But I always like to plan. I'm a big planner in my life, and I think many of our clients are well organized, and the more organized you are as a person, the easier the process of obtaining a house is going to be, especially this last couple of years in the market that we've seen that many times it's difficult to be able to purchase a home. So I just wanted to bring that to your guys' awareness here this week for another weekly Mortgage Matters in Minutes. Again, we're always here to help at Mortgage Specialists. Feel free to check us out on our website at mtg-specialists.com, or you can phone us at 402-991-5153 with any of your questions, and we're here always to help. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you here next week, same time, same place. Have a good one.
Mortgage Specialists. Driven, trusted, reliable.